Canada's Immigration Department has changed the rules around maintained status in the event that a temporary resident submits more than one application. Under the new rules, if a temporary resident submits a subsequent application for extension while they are on maintained status, and their initial application is refused, the applicant's authorized period of stay will not be extended on account of the pending subsequent application, and the subsequent application will be refused and returned to the applicant. Prior to this change, the submission of a subsequent application while on maintained status, with the initial application having been refused, would extend the foreign national's period of authorized stay in Canada, although it would not provide them authorization to work or study. Maintained status, formerly called implied status, provides a foreign national with the legal authorization to work or study under the terms of their existing permit if their permit has expired and they have submitted an application for extension prior to the expiry of their old permit, so long as they remain in Canada. Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, updated their instructions to officers on the 28th of May 2025. The following tables set out, before and after the changes, the outcomes based on the instructions to officers, depending on the outcome of the initial, first, application and whether the subsequent, second, application was submitted before or after the expiry date of the original permit.